Hi guys, welcome to POMCLOSET. In this video, I will explain how I did this sexy and colorful dress. I've used the same pattern as a mini dress in this army green color. You can continue working to the length where you want the split to be. Then place the stitch marker on, reconnecting the yarn, chain 3 double crochet on the next stitches until the end of the row. If you don't change the color, just continue on the next row by chain 3, turn the work, double crochet on the next stitches until the end of the work. But if you want to chain to the new color before the last stitch, you need to leave the yarn for 14 centimeters, then use any connecting yarn method before continue crocheting. The next row you will have to repeat the previous row up to your desired length. For this dress, you can actually use only one color, but as I have many leftover yarn, so I'm trying to use most of them. I have used one color for a few rows. It depends on how you like it. There is no specific rows for each color. Continue crocheting up to your desired length. My dress here is size S and M, so it can fit both. The bust is 36 inches, the hips is 38 inches, the length of the dress is 42 inches, and the part where the split is 41 rows. So it's just a short tutorial, guys. You have to get back to the dress that I have mentioned and adding more rows to the split to complete this dress. I really hope you like the tutorials. If there is any questions, please feel free to leave it down in the comment section. If you ever done any items from my videos, feel free to tag me on POMCLOSET Instagram account. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.